This video is a quick start guide to review making adjustments in the Foreman ration management program after you've set it up. Foreman makes it very easy to make the required adjustments to head count, rations, and ingredients. To adjust the pin head counts, go to the Pin Adjustments tab under the Pin category. Select the pin you want to change and enter in the new head count. Press Enter on your keypad to go to the next pin. It is very easy to change multiple pins this way. You can easily adjust the pin's feedings a day and the target dry matter intake per day using the same method. If you prefer to adjust the pin's target dry matter by a percentage, go to the Percentage Adjustment tab and enter in a positive percentage to raise it and a negative percentage to lower it. It is important to remember that the percentage adjustment is based on the current target DMI. For example, if you lowered a 45-pound target DMI by 5%, your new DMI would be 42.75 pounds. If you later raised that target DMI by 5%, your new target DMI would be 44.89 pounds, not the original starting 45 pounds, because you actually raised 42.75 by 5% to get to the 44.89. Once you have finished making all of the changes, select Save. A common adjustment for most feedlots and dairies is adjusting the dry matter percentage of an ingredient. Foreman greatly simplifies this process and automatically adjusts all rations the ingredient is used in based on the new dry matter percentage of that ingredient. Please note that ingredient number 6, distillers for ration finisher 1, currently has an as-fed quantity of 22 pounds to reach the dry matter quantity of 11 pounds. We will later be changing the distiller dry matter percentage and showing you how the as-fed quantity is automatically adjusted to meet the dry matter quantity of 11 pounds for this particular ration. In order to change ingredient dry matter percentage, go to the Dry Matter Adjustments section under the Ingredients tab. Click on the box under the dry matter percentage heading of the ingredient you want to make the adjustment on, and enter in the new dry matter percentage. You can then click on the next ingredient you need to change, or simply press Enter on your keyboard to advance to the next ingredient. A warning will pop up if you try to change the dry matter more than 5%. Simply select OK if this is a change you want to make, or cancel if you mistakenly entered in the wrong dry matter percentage. Every recipe that uses that ingredient that you adjusted the dry matter percentage on will be adjusted accordingly. Notice changing the distiller dry matter percentage from 50% to 44%, the as-fed quantity in this ration was automatically changed from 22 pounds to 25 pounds to meet the dry matter quantity of 11 pounds for this ration. By doing this, Foreman takes what used to be a tedious process for the operator and literally turns it into taking just a matter of seconds. Depending on the time of year, ingredient cost, and availability, you will need to adjust the dry matter quantities of an ingredient in a ration or replace an ingredient with a different ingredient altogether. To remove an ingredient from a recipe, select the Recipe Summary under the Recipe tab. Click on which recipe you need to remove the ingredient from. Go to the Ingredients section of the recipe and click on the gray box to the left of the ingredient you want to remove. Clicking on the gray box will highlight the entire row. Once the whole row is highlighted, press the Delete key on your keyboard. You'll be asked if you want to delete this row. Click on Yes if you would like to proceed, or click on No if you would like to cancel. It is important to note that if you click on the Delete tab on the screen, you will delete the whole ration, not just the one ingredient. If you need to change the dry matter quantity you are feeding in a ration, simply go to the tab for that ingredient under Dry Matter Quantity and enter in the new number. This completes a quick start guide on making adjustments to the Foreman PC ration management software. If you have further questions, please refer to your user manual or www.agskills.com.